If Steam is giving you error 730, you're dealing with a file system problem that usually shows up as not enough disk space or a file creation failed message. In simple terms, Steam is trying to write data to your drive, but something is getting in the way. That could be a lack of storage, a corrupted library folder, or a Windows permission issue. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes first. Then I'll show you a more advanced repair step that can help when the error keeps coming back. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Let's jump in. First, check your disk space. This is the most common cause, and it's also the easiest one to miss. Steam often needs more free space than the actual update size because it has to unpack files before it finishes installing them. So if an update is 10 gigabytes, you may want to have 20 gigabytes or more free just to be safe. Open File Explorer, check the drive where your game is installed, and make sure you have enough room. If your drive is nearly full, delete unused files, move something to another drive, or free up space with your storage settings. Once you've confirmed there's enough space, go back to Steam and try again. Next, restart the download or update. This sounds simple, but it can clear temporary write blocks that sometimes cause Steam to freeze on the same error. In Steam, pause the update, wait a few seconds, and then click Resume. If it still fails, stop the download completely and start it again. Sometimes Steam just needs a clean restart of the process to write the files correctly. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to run Steam as administrator. A lot of file creation failed errors happen because Steam doesn't have the permissions it needs to write into protected folders. To do this, close Steam completely, then right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. This gives Steam elevated access and can immediately solve permission-related write issues. Now, if the error is still happening, we move into the advanced fix, which is repairing the Steam library folder. If the manifest files or the folder structure are corrupted, Steam may lose the ability to properly write to that directory. To repair it, open Steam and go to Settings, then Storage. From there, select the drive where your game is installed. Next, click the three dots or the menu next to that library location and choose Repair Folder. Let Steam scan the library and fix any broken structure or file system issues it finds. This step can take a little while, so be patient and let it complete fully before trying the update again. After the repair finishes, restart Steam and test the download one more time. In many cases, one of these 4 steps will solve Steam error 730 right away. Start with disk space, then restart the update, then run Steam as administrator, and finally repair the library folder if needed. If you're still stuck after that, the issue may be deeper, such as a drive health problem or a Windows permissions conflict outside Steam itself. But for most users, this guide gets the download moving again without a full reinstall. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next Steam troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.